Going on an MSC Cruise and need to change your embarkation time? No worries, here's how to do it. One odd thing MSC does is to seemingly assign random embarkation times. On our recent January 2025 MSC Seascape Cruise, our reservation had noted 12:30 embarkation. That was fine, and we arranged our train arrival time in Miami for 11:15. However, when we did check in, that 12:30 time had been moved to 2:30. That was a serious concern, especially since we already had existing train reservations. We contacted MSC customer service, and they were very good and walked us through the process to change the embarkation time in the website. You cannot do this on the app at this time. And here is that step-by-step process. Head to the MSC website, no need to log in. Go to Manage Booking. Under your cruise, go to Web Check-in. Enter your information, booking number, first and last name. And click Go to check in. Scroll down to edit one of the passengers and then click on Embarkation Info. Now you can view and set the embarkation time slot to something else altogether. Easy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the thumbs up, comment, and please consider subscribing. See you soon!